Thank you. Thanks, Wings. Miss Video Brown. R. Hello, R. R, R, R. LMG. Thank you. Ray, anong nangyari sa'yo? Nahulog ka ata. Nahulog ka ba? Naglalag. Oh! Mahina ang signal. Okay. Di na bumalik yung wifi nyo ah. LDT ba yan? Ganyan din yung ano na LDT na. Baka hindi na send. Ay, nakita ko. Sabi mo mahina. Pero bigla kang nawala kasi. Hi, babe. Bigla ka kasing nawala. Pero yung comment mo nakita ko. Oh, sige. Good morning. Uy, it's not morning right now. It's evening. Ray. Basta ka daw, Ray. Sabi ni Wings. He said his internet is weak, Wings. Hi, Mais. Ganyan talaga yan, kahit hindi kuya, kahit hindi ate, kahit hindi mas matanda dito sa amin na rin, tinatawag na ate. Kahit mas bata, ate talaga. Ate at kuya talaga. Dito sa amin ganun. Ate, kuya. Basta hindi ka kilala kahit mas bata. Bata pa yan sila. Si Wings. Nakita ko na ba yung picture niya? Yeah. Ay, wala ko. Maganda naman yung kuya, ha? Kuya ate. Signing off. KS, hello. We have a lot of things to clean here. Nice. Kinidlatan. Julia. Yeah, dito kasi sa mga Katagalugan na rin, sanay ang mga ano na kuya ang tawag. Maybe there. Kasi I don't remember there. But as you can see, he's level 11. It means he gave me a lot of gifts na before. Hey, eh, sa inyo lang yung hindi uso rin. Si sa amin, uso kasi yun. Approach sa Bisaya. Bakit? Eh, hindi naman kami Bisaya eh. That's why we use Korean dati. Maybe for you it's bad, but for us it's sign of respect. Without degrading. Without degrading someone. But we're not. You're Bisaya, but we're not really. Yeah, for you it's degrading. For us it's a respect. Hi Freddy. No matter Oh, can you give gifts, Freddy? Can you give gifts, Freddy? If not, you know the answer. Carlos! Isa. Sign of respect and we will never be degraded. Calling Ate Artia to say we are some things wings. I will never call him Kuya. Please. Guess what? Just say Ray. I can. You give me gifts also.